everybody, guess what? I am out of the house. It is 9:44 in the morning. Ben and I asked Ben last night if he wanted to go to the Children's Museum. Since I've been going through my depression, I haven't been wanting to leave the house. So this is the first time that I'm actually going to the Children's Museum to take Ben. We have a membership and it's like, I don't know why I don't use it. Yeah, so we're going to go there. I have some packages I got to drop off. And we're going to go visit my in-laws. And we're going to go...
Who's in-laws?
You'll have to see. But yeah, we're just going to go have some fun. And we're taking you guys with us. Okay, where are we at?
The Children's Museum.
We're going to the Children's Museum. Charlotte's all bundled up.
We are not even there yet.
Hi, baby.
We're not even there yet.
Yeah, I know. It takes a little bit, but we got a little bit of a walk to go to. So yeah, you guys. So we just hung out. We just hung out at our in-laws, and now we're going to the Children's Museum.
We just want to go, but they just touched snot. Ew.
You just touched snot. Ew. Ew. What happened? They changed it. They got rid of the water fountain. It's a bunch of skis and a tree. Is that cool? Yeah. We're looking at the fishies.
Look at this, Mommy.
Yeah, the fishies.
Oh, look.
Oh, cool.
We've never had that.
Oh, Miss Darla.
I'm coming.
Where'd Mr. Benjamin go? We got Charlotte just chilling. Yeah. Just chilling. You didn't go all the way to the top, little man. Show everybody all the way to the top. Just gonna go all the way to the top. Whoa, look at you. Go. Charlotte, you sitting up by yourself? Yes, you are. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. Okay. We're just hanging out at the Children's Museum. They got a fish tank right behind us. Charlotte's like, whoa, look at the fish tank. Benjamin's running around. Hey, what are you doing? Are you going to drive the car? Do you want to go up there and go down the giant slide?
I'm scared that they're on the slide because I hate those spooky ones.
Yeah, it's spooky. Miss Charlotte's just chilling. And then they got the milk.
Let's go somewhere else.
Go somewhere else? Okay. Okay, I was informed to get my camera out for Mr. Benjamin. So this is what we're doing. Okay, Benjamin, what are you showing me?
And we have the waterfall down here.
Oh, they closed it up. It's right here. Where's the ball? There's the ball. He's up there. Here it comes. Yeah, good job. Good job, Ben. All right. So push this button right here when the ball pops out, okay? See you guys south. Whoa! What you doing, honey? Benjamin is outside. This is like a little rooftop area. It is too cold for me to go. Well, it's not cold out. It's just a little chilly for Miss Charlotte. So Charlotte's just gonna play the piano. Yeah. What's he doing? Good. That's the best song ever. Best song ever. Okay, you guys. So we are on the top of the Children's Museum, and that is our state capitol, so we are gonna go there next and look at a Christmas tree. Fun fact, Graham and I actually got married in that building. That's where we had our wedding ceremony, so let's go across the street to the capitol. Good job, little man. Hey Benjamin, where are we?
Capitol.
We're at the Capitol. Fun fact is you can actually go up here in the summertime. Or no, never mind, that's way too high. You can go right here and you can walk all the way around in the summertime, but yes.
That's neat.
This is the stairs where Graham and I got our photos taken for our wedding, but this is our state capital of Madison, Wisconsin. Hey you guys, so we are inside, and they got a huge tree with a train. Big tree.
Up here.
Oh, you can't climb up
Bucky?
there. So we just walked up to the second floor.
Bucky?
You see a Bucky? Cool. So there's the bottom. We just walked to the second level, and the tree is still taller than us. But yeah, it goes way up. I have been up here before. I get scared.
I can fell down there.
Yeah, you could fall down there. Mommy gets scared just by looking all the way up. Look all the way up. Isn't it scary looking up that high?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
We're gonna fall there.
Miss Charlotte fell asleep.
Can you go way up to the top?
No, we can't go all the way to the top.
Dad, I want to look at the view.
You want to look at, this is the best view we can get.
Oh,
Unless we go to the third
I
level.
want to go outside and look at
Oh
the
yeah.
top.
You want to go see a really cool bell?
Yeah.
What are we doing in an elevator?
Party.
Party in an elevator. Party in an elevator. Okay, you guys, so we are at home. We had a busy day today. Benjamin is excited to open his advent calendar. Is today the 13th already?
Yes,
it is.
Okay, what is today's thing?
My favorite movie!
Aladdin!
That's my favorite
Yay!
movie. That's my first favorite movie.
Okay, why don't you go get the Thomas one? So yeah, so we're just hanging out. It's like, what, 6:30? No, it's 5:30.
I'm always booked.
5:30, you guys, so we're just chilling at home. But yeah, so Ben's gonna have you do the...
Jaffa!
Ben's gonna look at his book, and then he's gonna do Thomas.
Let's open this one. You guys, you help me. Where's it going? Is another Christmas one?
Another Christmas one? Does that make... That seems like that's
A
like number...
snowman.
Let me see.
It's James.
James? Let me see.
It's number 5.
So we got a snowman and a snowman. I feel like they said right here there is 6 exclusive Christmas minis, and I feel like this is the 7th one. So
After I tried to walk,
yeah.
after I tried to walk, and my number day fell out.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so it is 6:22 at night. Graham got home. I somehow have a diaper in my pocket. I'm wearing my robe because I'm freezing cold. I have, oh, what is that? I can't think of this movie. I used to love it. Muppet's Christmas Carol. I loved that movie as a kid. Yeah, so we're just giving the kids a bath right now. I had to run out downstairs to get something for Miss Charlotte, so Graham's watching the kids. But yeah, I'm just going to call it a night. Tomorrow we're going to run some errands and just have a funny day. There's Miss Paris. I was wondering where she was all day today. Yes. But yeah, so, oh, and thank you guys for who has sent me Christmas cards. I think there's been a couple of you guys, so thank you. I truly appreciate it. I love it. I'm going to put them on my wall. So I am starting to put them on my wall. Yes, so thank you guys for watching Vlogmas day, I think 13, so tomorrow's 14, you guys. So that means there's 10 days left. Crazy! So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.